to Mr. Hussein's class. Today we are going to discuss a new topic, mixtures. What is mixture? Mixture is a physical blend of two or more than two substances. I said two or more than two, but at least two substances. And mixtures have variable composition. They can be either heterogeneous mixture, which is not uniform in composition. For example, chocolate chip cookies, gravel, soil. If you mix like water and oil, you see oil stays on the top. If you mix cookies with the milk, you see the pieces of cookies settle down at the bottom. That type of mixture where you can see components separately, that's called heterogeneous mixture. Second one is homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture are the mixtures which have same composition throughout. They are also called solutions. For example, Kool-Aid, air, salt water, sugar water. In mixtures, every part keeps its own properties. Let's discuss in details. As we know, homogeneous mixtures are also called solutions. Solutions mixed molecule by molecule, and they are too small. You cannot see the different parts in that mixture. It can occur between any state of matter, gas in gas, liquid in gas, gas in liquid, solid in liquid, solid in solid, like we see in always. Based on the distribution of their components, mixtures are classified homogeneous or heterogeneous, which has already been explained. Now, what is meant by phase? The term phase is used to describe any part of a sample with uniform composition of properties. Homogeneous mixture consists of a single phase. What does it mean? Like you mix sugar or salt in water, mix it, stir it. You see only one phase. You will see water, you will not see sugar, you will not see salt. You mix milk and water, so you will see only single phase. But if you are mixing oil and water, you see oil on the top, water at the bottom, two phases. You put pieces of cookies in the milk, you see cookies at the bottom, milk in the container, and showing two faces or more faces, depends on. So that's called phase. Now let's separating mixtures. Mixtures can be separated by physical means. For example, rocks and marbles. You can separate them easily. Iron fillings and sulfur. You can use magnet. You can separate them. Differences in physical properties can be used to separate mixtures. For example, if milk and cookie pieces and you have to separate it, the best way is filtration. Okay? A solution is colored, different colors are there, and you have to separate it. So, what you're gonna do now? There's a technique which is called chromatography. What is chromatography? Chromatography is a technique used to separate the mixture, and we call it paper chromatography. Components of dyes, such as ink, may be separated by paper chromatography. You see in this picture. This paper is dipped into that colored substance and a medium like an alcohol or something, and you see different bands of different colors would appear in a certain period of time. There is another technique which I would like to let you know before I let you go. Distillation is very important to know, and a technique to separate a mixture. Distillation is used if mixture is made up of two liquids which have different boiling point. So you see solution in this flask is being heated up, water and alcohol or any other solution. One of them boils faster and it goes through this condenser and it is collected in this Erlenmeyer flask here. So that is called distillation. So filtration, distillation, chromatography, or physical means like magneting, using magnet, and you can separate it. So these are the technique you can separate components of a mixture. That's all for the day. And in next class, we would be discussing the differences between elements, compounds, and mixture. We would start from compounds and mixtures. Okay? Have a wonderful day.